Oh, brother, what do we got here? Oh. That's gonna leave a mark. This is like one of the first videos I fixed this thing. Let's go round two. What do we think it is? Can we see anything here? Screw? Screw. 5/16? 5/16. What do we think it is? Bearing? A wheel? Sounds pretty nasty. Put in the comments. Put your guess down there. We're just going. I don't know what it is. Don't drop the screws. Shakes hands. McGee. All right, 2 screws. Get this clip off. Come on. Come to daddy. No. Maybe. No, not so for you. Ah, winner. Got on me. Whoa. Yeah, up goes. Oh, I see what the problem is. Y'all see it? That thing is broken over there. Right? She a little broken. That's why you're watching the video. We're gonna figure it out. Let's figure it out together. Let's get the belt off. Get the drum out of the way. Maybe. Oh, that's great production. Whoa, we were. What's going on? All right, let's get the drum out of there. Beat it like a drum. Brrr. I think that's like a machine gun. Let's get some lights so we can see what's going on. As you can see, this is just a little broken. I think that's... I feel like that should have a nut on it, no? I think we're good. Maybe a little bit of grease on there. Might as well grease it up. I didn't have any white lithium grease, but we got some dry lube, PB Blaster style. Just gonna blast it. Don't even have a straw. And just get on everything. Wow. Oh yeah. I feel like... Oh yeah, now we're cruising. Thing's gonna be brand new. Dry lube, I don't understand that. Alright, put it back together. Y'all should probably just call me Andre because I'm putting the drum in. If that is not a solid dad joke, I don't know what is. We got that there. That'll be fun. Now put in the bell time, which is always tricky. Everything. Yeah. Look at all that. Yummy. Don't care. Yep, just like that. Oh, I missed it. Come on. Not terrible. Hopefully you can see that. I'll try to brighten it up. See that? Yeah. Gotta slide the door down. Slide it down. And then get the drum in the right spot. Make sure we're in the back there. Good, good. Get your 2 bolts. 2 bolts, they're loose. Power clippy. Clip, clip. Snap back on. Bam. 2 screws there. Plug her back in. Fingers crossed. Make sure the vent is still connected. Oh, listen to that! Sound of success, I think so. Not bad. Maybe took, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. Just need a little lube, that little lock washer. Good to go. Didn't have to buy a new dryer. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you got something out of it. Hit that subscribe button. I'm going to keep making videos, even if nobody watches. Job done.